Back into a wet weather pattern for the next couple of days. Rain and thunderstorms could erupt again tomorrow. There's still some out there this evening in the upper valley, but most everything will tend to die this evening. And then tomorrow we'll have to wait and see if storms and showers pop up again. So it could be kind of wet again tomorrow afternoon. Locally heavy rain. You know, we saw today slow moving thunderstorms. You got maybe 1 inch, 2, almost 3 inches of rain in a few spots, and that could happen again tomorrow. Not everywhere, but in some locations. And then dry weather should take over by, it looks like maybe later Sunday afternoon or evening and last into early next week. Maybe not 100% dry, but not very much rain left by then, it looks like. You can see radar. This is over the last 3 hours, and thunderstorms and showers started erupting in parts of the Mid-Valley and western Cameron, western Williston counties and Hidalgo counties, and then moved westward. Some of the heaviest rain in central Hidalgo County and then moving into Starr County now, but it is weakening. But you can see this is radar over the last hour. Heavy rain coming from about Rio Grande City west through Roma and around Falcon Village and Salaneno, headed toward Falcon Lake. Again, this stuff is moving to the west, should mostly be gone by about sunset, but you see there are still a couple of light rain showers in spots behind it still off to the west. But once again, the heaviest rain from about Rio Grande City west on US 83 and to the north. Some of the heaviest rain in red here north of Roma. So this stuff is shrinking slowly away, but remember, it could erupt again tomorrow with another round of rain. Elsewhere, some showers and a couple storms north of the valley near Corpus Christi and a few over the mountains of Mexico, but that's about it. You see, it's kind of, you know, little patches of rain, and that may be what we see again tomorrow. Just spots blow up with some rain and could be heavy at times. So rain chances kind of dropping as the evening goes on and overnight. There still might be a couple small showers late tonight after midnight, but mostly dry overnight. And then tomorrow, as we warm back up into the low 80s, and rain chances go up to about 50% during the day, especially from about noon through about 4, 5, 6 p.m. and then drop off toward the evening again. So again, like today, heavy downpours in spots, but it's kept temperatures cooler. It's still very humid out there, but 77 right now in Weslaco, 78 degrees in Port Isabel, and 78 in Rio Grande City, and temperatures should fall through the 70s this evening. May not get much below 70, if even that low tonight, with the best chance of a shower through about sunset and maybe a few spots of showers after that into the evening hours. So most of the later evening hours, if you're out, should be dry. You can kind of see a little bit of a front still left here. The cold front came down as stationary. You can kind of see this little trail right here, this little line of, it's about where the front is, kind of on the northern edge of the valley. But that front's still in the area, even though it's very weak, it could help spark some showers and storms tomorrow. Farther off to the north, mostly dry weather once you get north of about Corpus Christi, but our chances of rain still hanging in there for at least the next few days. Future track, that front kind of stuck near the edge of the valley tonight, kind of just hangs around, but overnight things looking pretty quiet. Tomorrow during the day, the front's still around, but continues to weaken, but enough of it holding together, we could see some showers or storms popping up near this front. So once again, kind of watch the skies in the afternoon for showers and storms that could be heavy in spots. Friday is a different day. The front's gone, but there's also an upper level disturbance moving in from the west, and that could help to lift up the air and cause more showers and storms later Friday afternoon and evening. So that could be another round of rain, and some of that may still be left over for Saturday, but rain chances start to go down by then. In terms of rainfall through tomorrow, future track showing some areas still getting more than 1 inch of rain. And again, don't concentrate on the specific number, but just get the idea that there could be some pockets of heavy rain over 1 inch, maybe 2 inches or more in spots again tomorrow. So the first 1570 forecast, not expecting severe weather, but locally heavy rain possible again Thursday and Friday. It could come down pretty hard at times in the afternoon with highs mostly in the low 80s. Saturday, enough moisture around. There could be a few showers left, but less rain. And then by Sunday, a front starts to roll in. Could get breezy and cooler behind the front with some clouds. Highs mostly in the 70s and a small chance for a shower. And then mostly dry weather returns, but doesn't stay too hot early next week. So we'll keep tracking the rain chances ahead in your first 1-5 forecast. Carrie?